My name is Honorable Joe Johnson, the Honorable Commissioner for Information and Communications. With me are my colleague commissioners, Honorable Attorney General Professor Adangor and Professor Ogiri. We will be briefing you on what has happened today, being the 4th Executive Council meeting. I have to start from Honorable Commissioner.
Thank you. All right. At today's Executive Council meeting, the Honorable Attorney General presented 3 draft bills for the consideration and approval of Executive Council. The first, in no particular order, is the draft River State New Towns Development Authority Bill 2023. The purpose of that bill is to seek to abolish the one city status of River State. Of course, you know, River State is always seen as that state that has just one single city, which is Port Harcourt. And the essence of this bill is to establish a River State New Town Development Authority that is empowered to establish new towns or model cities and or to expand existing ones in order to bring development closer to our people. Council in this wisdom, after extensive deliberation, approved the draft bill as presented by the Honorable Attorney General, and same shall be transmitted to the River State House of Assembly for necessary legislative action. Remember, it is still a draft bill. Yes. It will become a bill, formally speaking, when it is presented for the first time on the floor of the State Assembly. Now, the second bill I presented is the River State Youth Entrepreneurship Trust Fund Bill 2023. You recall that, of course, it is often said that one major cause of youth restiveness is the lack of job or the lack of employment. And so in order to tackle that serious societal issue, I presented this bill, which is designed to create a special fund to encourage entrepreneurship amongst our youth and thereby stimulate economic growth and render them employable. That draft bill was also considered by Council. It was graciously approved by Council, and Council has authorized the Honorable Attorney General to take necessary steps to have it transmitted to the State House of Assembly for necessary legislative action. The third draft bill I presented is the River State Investment Promotion Agency Bill 2023. You cannot talk about development unless you have investment in the state, both from within and from outside. And so this draft bill is designed to establish an agency to drive investment in the state. And the whole purpose of investment is to stimulate the economic growth and the prosperity of our people. Thank you.
Very much. Just to keep you abreast with what happened today, under my ministry, the Ministry of Power, only yesterday I returned from Abuja, where I represented His Excellency, the Governor, on a power roundtable organized by the Nigerian Governors Forum and the UK NIAF. And of course, the thrust of that roundtable is how states can actually take advantage of the Electricity Act 2023 that was passed by the federal government, deregulating the power sector. Flowing from that, earlier on, the governor has instructed that we should develop a bill for onward transmission to the State Assembly for consideration and passage into law. That bill was presented today, and after being duly vetted by the Honorable Attorney General office and given what I would call a bill of no objection. And the bill seeks to establish a River State Regulatory Commission, which will open up the electricity market for private investors to come into River State. I will be receiving inquiries from a number of private investors regarding their investment prospects in power sector in River State. And with the unbundling of the power sector by the federal government, River State, with our abundant gas resources, stand as one of the most favored states to take advantage of this initiative, by the federal government. And so this bill seeks, when passed into law, will create electricity markets and the regulatory commission and other ways in which Rivers State can take full advantage of the deregulation. And so it will create employment, there will be improved electricity, and there will be investment opportunities who will also bring in revenue to Rivers State because people will be coming in to do business, and so we will be receiving monies through licensing and a whole lot of other power-related investments. And so we want to thank His Excellency for this initiative. And with what is happening now, I can say without fear of contradictions that the state is poised to witness rapid development in the different sectors of the state, because power is at the center of infrastructure and development. Thank you.